Hey guys, I got a new loom yesterday. It's the Loops and Thread Quick Lace Loom. Okay, let's open this up and see what it looks like. And I do like when they put them in the zipper bags. That keeps it easy to store. You can keep all your little pieces together in one spot. Now I got this on a clearance rack. I think I paid like $5 for it. I said 3 pieces, so let's see if I can get it out of the bag. Here we go. Oh, maybe not. There we go. So my tapestry needle. Oh, it's an oval loom. Okay, I couldn't really tell that from the box. Alright, so you have your loom tool, which that is a very different looking loom tool than what I normally get, which is more like this. Huh. The metal feels pretty good. The loom tool itself's kind of loose in there, so I'll probably, unless that's supposed to be like that, I'll probably end up taking super glue and just gluing that in so that it can't move. Okay, so let's put this together, see what it looks like. So it's got little legs here. Okay, so it took me a couple minutes to get the legs in. I was just being very careful. I was worried that if I pushed too hard, I'd break the loom. But once the legs are in, they actually come back out really easy. But it's made to just sit, and it can sit on a stand and you can work on it that way. Which that's really good for people who have limited mobility or arthritis or, you know, something along those lines, to where it's hard for them to hold the loom in one hand and work with the other. Now the legs, be very careful putting the legs on. They fit in there very snug, which is nice, but if you push on it too hard, you may snap a peg if you're putting the pressure on the peg instead of the round base part of the loom. Now the loom, I got it on sale. It was only like a $5-6 loom, so it's absolutely worth the cost of. And it does come with an interesting loom tool that I've never used before. Just the shape of it's a little different than I'm used to. And it does have a little pamphlet that comes in, has a 1, 2, 3 lace stitch, which it's actually a really nice stitch. That's how it turns out. It's one of my favorite lace stitches, actually, because it's simple. There's not a whole lot to it. And you get this wonderful look that looks crocheted when you're done. So overall, this is a neat loom. Definitely one that I didn't have, and a new one to add to my collection. As I use it and try some patterns and stuff with it, I'll give you guys some more detailed reviews of just more about it. But overall, definitely worth the money. It's neat. I like the little pegs. Very, very lightweight. This is a good loom for people with limited mobility or arthritis. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, I did buy this at a Michael's. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, or you can email me. My email is in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.